Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am here to conduct a math class of class 3. Our today's topic is short question part 1. In this part, I will solve 15 short questions today from the syllabus of annual examination. I will solve question from 1 to 15. Let us start our solution. Our first question is, how many numbers from 100 to 200 will have the digit 5 in ones place? Dear students, you know, after 105, if you observe, 5 is in ones place. 115, 5 is in ones place. 125, 135, 145, 155, 165, 175, 185, 195. Now count the numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers you will get where 5 is in ones place between 100 to 200. 5 is in ones place, you will get 10 numbers, such type of number. So we can say answer of first question is 10. Answer of first question is 10. Now second question, how many 25 paisa coins make 7.50 taka? It means that at first we have to know how many paisa are there in 7 taka 50 paisa. 7 taka means 700 paisa and 50 paisa if we add, it will be 750 paisa. Now if we divide by 25 paisa, we will get 3 times 325s are 75. Now 0 left. 0 times of 25 will be 0. So we can say 30 coins. We need the 30 coins of 25 paisa to make 7 taka 50 paisa. So we'll go to the next question, question 3. What is the sum of 48 and 20 subtracted from the product of 7 and 10? The product of 7 and 10 is 70 and sum of 48 and 20 is 68. Now subtract 68 from 70. If you subtract, you will get 2. So we can say our required answer for question 3 is 2. Again, try to understand. At first you have to find the product of 7 and 10. Product of 7 and 10 is 70. Then you have to find the sum of 48 and 20. This will be 68. Now subtract 68 from 70. You will get 2. So 2 is our required answer for question 3. Now go to question 4. Today is 25 May. My sister will come 10 days later. On which date will she arrive? It means that at first we have to know 25 May and 10 days later my sister will come. So we have to add 10 days with 25. If we add 10, this will be 35. Dear students, you know, May month contains 31 days. So subtract 31 now. If you subtract 31 from 35, you will get 4. And after May, the month is June. So the required answer for this question is 4 June. 4 June. Okay, now go to next question. Now go to next question. 5. A pizza was cut into 8 equal pieces. 3 pieces were given to my sister. What fraction of pizza was given to her? It means that total 8 pieces. Total 8 pieces. To get the required fraction, we have to write the total number of pieces in the denominator and the pieces given to her sister is 3. We have to write in numerator. That will be our required fraction. That will be our required fraction. Now question 6. What is the greatest 4-digit number which ends in 5? Dear students, you know greatest 4-digit number is 9999. But the last digit should be 5 as the number ends with 5. So our required answer is 9995 as the number ends with 5. It means that ones place will be 5. Now go to the next question 7. In 4785 the digit 7 stands for what? It means that we have to say the position of the digit 7 here. Look at the position: ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So we can say 7 is in hundreds position. So we can say 7 stands for hundreds. Hundreds. Now question 8. How many meters are there in 8 kilometers? Dear students, you know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore 7 kilometer will be 7 times of 1000. 7 times of 1000. This will be 7000 meter. Sorry, here is 8, here is 8, so this will be 8 kilometer. As 8 kilometer here, this will be 8 multiplied by 1000 and the answer will be 8000 meter. Answer will be 8000 meter. So required answer for question 8 is 8000 meter. Dear students, try to understand again. 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. So 8 kilometer is our required question. Our question is 8 kilometers. So we have to find the 8, we have to convert 8 kilometer into meter. To convert 8 kilometer into meter, we have to multiply 8 by 1000. We will get 8000. So our required answer for this question is 8000 meter. 8000 meter. Now go to the next question. Question 9. A dog weighs 9 kg 300 gram. Here 9 kg 300 gram. And a cat weighs 5 kg 250 gram. How much more does the dog weigh? It means that if we subtract the weight of a cat from the weight of a dog, we will get the required answer. To subtract, we have to subtract the amount of gram from the amount of gram. It means that if we subtract 250 from 300, 250 from 300, we will get 50 gram. We will get 50 gram. And if we subtract 5 kg from 9 kg, 9 minus 5, it will be 4 kg. It means that our required answer will be 4 kg 50 gram. Our required answer will be 4 kg 50 gram. Then the next question, question 10. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Here L is given in short of liter and ml is given in short of milliliter. ml means milliliter and L means liter. Here 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. How many milliliters are there in 5 liter 345 milliliter? Here 5 liter means 5 multiplied by 1000 milliliter. It means 5000 milliliter. Then we have to add 345 milliliter. If we add, we will get 5345 milliliter. So our required answer is 5345 milliliter. This is our required answer. Now go to question 11. Divide 240 mangoes among 12 persons equally. How many mangoes will each person get? It means that we have to divide 240 by 12. If we divide 240 by 12, we will get 2 times of 12 is 24. Now 4 left. Now 0 left. take 0 times 0. So our required answer is 20. It means that 20 mangoes. 20 mangoes will each person get. If we divide 240 by 12, we'll get 20. So 20 mangoes will be our required answer. Now question 12. What will be the cost of a dozen pens if cost of one such pen is taka 58? One pen costs taka 58. So 1 dozen means, we know 1 dozen means 12 items. 1 dozen means 12 items. 1 dozen means 12 items. So if we want to find the cost of 1 dozen pens, we have to multiply 58 by 12. Multiply this, 8 to 16, 5 to 10 and 1, 11. Now 1 digit completed, put a 0, 8 ones are 8, 5 ones are 5. Now add 6, 8 and 1 will be 9 and 6 here. 6, 9, 6. 6, 9, 6. So our required answer is 696 taka. Taka 696. Now question 13. I reached at home at 4:30. I reached at home at 4:30 p.m. My father arrived at 40 minutes later. After what time did my father arrive? So we have to add 40 minutes with 4:30. Here 4 hours and 30 minutes. Now add 40 minutes with this, we'll get 70 minutes, but we know 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So if we subtract 60, we'll get 10 minutes. We'll get 10 minutes. So we can write here 10 minutes. We can write here 10 minutes. And for 60 minutes, we can take 1 hour, that we have to add with 4. This will be 5. It means 5 hour 10 minutes. It means at 5:10 p.m. At 5:10 p.m. Now question 14. What is the smallest 4-digit number which ends with 5? What is the smallest 4-digit number which ends with 5? Dear students, you know smallest 4-digit number is 1000. And as the number ends with 5, so the required number should be the last digit. It means ones place will be 5. So our required answer is 1005. Now the last question for today. What is the odd number just before 923? Just before 923. The students observe, if I write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, these numbers are odd numbers. These numbers are odd numbers. Here 9 is an odd number. The odd number before 9 is 7. It means here the difference is 9 minus 7 equal to 2. It means that the odd number just before a number will be 2 less. So if we subtract 2 from 923, we will get the required answer 921. So our required answer for this question is 921. It means 921 is the required odd number for question 15. Dear students, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic. These questions you have to do as your HW. These questions you have to do as your HW. Do your HW in your assigned HW copy. Submit your HW on next Sunday in the school library and collect your previous HW on the day. Dear students, HW is very, very important for you in annual examination, as CT marks, diary marks and SBA marks will be given based on your HW. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again inshallah. Allah Hafiz.